Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java for beginners. First, you will need to install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, which is essential for compiling and running your code. Next, choose an integrated development environment, or IDE, such as IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, to write and manage your projects. Finally, write your very first Hello World program to grasp the fundamental syntax and ensure your setup is correct. Once your environment is set up, dive into Java's core concepts. Begin by understanding fundamental data types like integers, doubles, and booleans, which store different kinds of information. Then, master control flow statements such as if-else conditions, for loops, and while loops to dictate program execution. Crucially, grasp object-oriented programming principles like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, which are central to Java's design. Theory alone is not enough. Consistent practice is key. Actively solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Start building small, practical projects, such as a simple calculator or a to-do list application, to apply what you have learned. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain valuable real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. After mastering the fundamentals, you can explore more advanced Java topics. Delve into collections, exception handling, and multithreading to write more robust and efficient applications. Investigate popular Java frameworks like Spring Boot, which is widely used for building enterprise-level web applications. Remember, the world of programming is constantly evolving, so commit to continuous learning and staying updated with the latest features and best practices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.